Hello guys, today we have a product from Bebang. It is a mini microscope, a pocket-sized microscope actually. The reason that we got this pocket-sized microscope is because my daughter, she's going to be attending school and she's going to have a science class. All right, so we have the product right here. It does come with a carrying case. This you can actually strap to your belt. They come in two colors that you can choose from. It goes in the blue and the black. Okay, they're both very nice. The size of them fits on the pocket perfectly. It also comes with the instruction manual. It comes with 5 different paths that you can use to actually look at the microorganisms.
In the package, it also includes a wipe to clean the lens.
It's very simple to use. It has a magnification from 60 times to 120 times. So that way you can see any living microorganism. It's powered by a AA battery that you need to install inside. Batteries are not included. Once you get it installed, then you can turn it on. It's equipped with a UV light right there, and then LED light right there. So that way you can actually see better what you're actually looking through the microscope. And also the UV light will give you an enhancement to what you're looking at. Let's go ahead and use these lights. I'm gonna get the honeybee foreleg. Which one are you getting?
I got the fly mouth parts. This is really cool.
It is one-handed operated. It is very cool what you can see on this light. The things that you can do with these mini microscopes is that they're so portable that you can take them outside.
You can even see insects like this, like little ants or anything that's really small.
Do you want to take it outside?
Yeah.
Definitely. Let's go.
Well, that was fun.
That was fun. Well, very, very nice to use it outside. You know, it's a very practical, one-handed operational. You know, the zoom was incredible. Yep. This wristband is also very useful, especially if you're outside. I really want to thank you for watching, guys, and see you on the next video.
Bye.